Hey guys, I've been sick, excuse me. We are here at Mama C's
Mac and Smash.
And Smash, and we're gonna try it out. It's inside a gas station. Oh, I didn't know that. See, he's looking around, and come to find out, it's right there in the corner of that restaurant. So we're gonna go try it out. So come on.
Come on.
So evidently, this is in a gas station. Mama C's. Looks like you place your order up there. Say,
They know who you are.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So it looks pretty cool. We'll find out. Some of the hamburger we've seen behind us look pretty neat. So we're gonna try it out. Mama C's Mac and Smash, I think is what she said it was called. Tell you what, I love these onion rings. They are super good. Try one though. Dip it in this sauce right here.
Stop.
What are you doing, Mother?
I want a piece of an onion ring and it just keeps going.
Here, dip it in that sauce right there. They're pretty good. That's too late. I done got you. They're pretty good, ain't they?
Yeah, they are.
How's yours, Glenn?
Finger licking good.
You're looking good. Yours?
Right.
How's your BLT?
Ain't got time to talk.
No, that's never stopped you before. Okay, Mother's still eating, but how was yours? Okay, we got. All right, Glenn, how was yours? How was yours?
They're gone.
What are you trying to say?
Good.
Becky, how was yours?
Good. Good.
I'll tell you what, guys, this was really good food. Just to be a little gas station, all in this area, stop by. It's on Highway 8. I'll post the address down there somewhere. You know the drill. Anyways.
Y'all have a blessed day, sweetie.
So they got sitting outside. Oh, they got a little bar there, so you can order from there. That's pretty cool. Huh?